For those of you who saw my video for my greatest find ever, this is haul number 3 from Kay's sale. I'm going to go inside and get this video started for you and show you box 3 from Kay's sale. This is a vintage and miniature little anchor hocking green glass, forest green glass little vase with a ruffled edge. I paid $2 for it and listed it for $14.95 plus shipping. This little lady is a vintage Occupy Japan little lady planter with a little basket, and as you can see on the bottom here, it does say Made in Occupy Japan. I paid $1 for it and listed it for $14.95 plus shipping. Who remembers Mr. Peanut, Planter's Peanut? It does show that I paid $3 for it, and it's just a little vintage plastic cup, nothing too fancy. But I found 2 other Planter Peanut items, and that would be these little red figures. Now the thing is, after I got home, I realized that these were missing something. They're actually supposed to be salt and pepper shakers, and they're missing their hats, which would have made them into the shakers. So instead of selling them separately, we decided to put all 3 pieces together. We did list them for $14.95 plus shipping, and I have about $4.50 into them. So a little bit disappointed that I made that mistake, but we did still list them. If I didn't mention it, this is a video of smalls. Kay had a box of dolls and toys, and I picked out this little vintage USA hard plastic Sleepy Eye. You know Sleepy Eye, her eyes go to sleep when she lays down and they wake up when she stands up. It's a little African American girl doll. It's only 6 inches high. The dress she is wearing is a different brand, but this is how I found her. Originally $5, I paid only $2.50 and listed her for $19.95 plus shipping. And in that same box of dolls, I found this little vintage 1979 Fisher-Price little kids doll. I found out her name is Billy, found that out by researching, and she's a little African-American doll. The head is rubber, but the body is a cloth material. She's about 9.5 inches high, not in perfect condition. Paid $2.50 and listed her for $14.95 plus shipping. And I'm a fan of Raggedy Ann and Andy. When I was a teenager, a girlfriend of mine, we were going to a Halloween party, and she got to dress as Raggedy Ann, and I got to dress as Andy. I will never forget that. These little vintage 1970s magic magnet, Raggedy Ann and Andy, paid $1.25 for the pair and listed them for $9.95 plus shipping. I couldn't resist these little Cupid dolls, so darn cute. 4 of them in various conditions, meaning some had more feathers than others, and I can tell you those feathers keep falling off. They've been floating all around our eBay area here. It's been too funny, but they are collectible, and they are made from celluloid. They're not the Occupy Japan ones, the older ones, but they were made in Japan, and they were little carnival prizes. I have about $4.50 invested in the 4 of them and listed them for $39.95 plus shipping. In my childhood, I did not have Cabbage Patch Kids, but I know they were very popular from the 80s and the 90s. These are not in the greatest condition, definitely played with. They have some scuffing, they have some discoloring, but I grabbed a bag of 4 of them for $3. They're just little, 3.5 inches high, and I did list them for $26.95 plus shipping. I have to tell you, whenever I see trolls, I think of my grandmother. Yes, she loved trolls. In fact, it was one of the last dolls that she had with her before she passed away. I share that only because that's my memory when I see trolls. I did not get that troll doll. It was left with her caregiver, but that's okay. This is a mixed lot that I'm showing you here, but we end up separating the trolls into various lots for listing. In other words, we listed a 5-count lot of the ones that are marked Russ brand. We set those aside in a lot, and we listed them for $22.45 plus shipping. And we created another lot of vintage troll dolls, 5 of them, that were unbranded, just completely unbranded. You can see in various conditions, various styles, various clothing. Anyway, the unbranded ones became their own lot. Listed those for $24.95 plus shipping. And guess what? This unbranded lot sold first for full asking price of $24.95. Very surprised that the unbranded ones sold first. But there's more. These trolls are a little bit larger, as you can see here. The one with the purplish pink hair and the little purple leotard. Too funny. I'm going to call this one the jazzercise little troll, because I used to do jazzercise when I lived in Ohio. Yes, I did, believe it or not, and I loved it. Just don't have it here. But anyway, she's so cute. I decided to put a two-piece lot together because the two of these had LTB on the bottom for their brand. And they're dated 1991. They're about 7 inches tall. Listed them for $24.95. They are on sale right now for $22.45 plus shipping. This little guy got singled out. This is a vintage Unita, like you need a toy. And the back of the doll is where you find the Unita Doll Company. It is made in China. A little cheerleader troll with the orange hair. It's about 5 3/4 inches tall. And I listed it for $24.95 plus shipping. Yes, just for the one, $24.95, but it is on sale for $22.45 plus shipping. And this guy is the star of the troll show. This is a vintage rare 1966, another Unita doll, Wishnick. I don't know if you remember Wishnicks. That was one of the styles of troll dolls. Little beatnik with sunglasses. He's 5 3/4 inches tall. Now I paid $20 for the entire lot of trolls. As you know, I sold one lot already for $24.95 plus shipping. And this vintage rare Wishnick troll doll is currently listed for $69.95 plus shipping, but it is on sale right now if you want to buy it for $62.95. Leave a comment below on what you think about trolls. Now, I do remember Casper the Friendly Ghost from my childhood. Loved the cartoons. And this little plush Casper is a Knickerbocker. You can see here on the tag where it says the Friendly Ghost, and on the other side of the tag is where you see the Knickerbocker. So always check out the tags of your plush items. And he's about 13.5 inches high, not in perfect condition, has a little bit of wear, a little bit of discoloring, not too bad, but I listed him for $26.95 plus shipping. And of course we have to have Donald Duck and his little girlfriend Daisy Duck. These are vintage Japan Walt Disney productions, so you know the fact that they were made in Japan tells you these are a little bit older. They're not in perfect condition. They have a few chips here and there, little wear on the paint, but I did list the little pair for $26.95 plus shipping. When I saw the little bag of silverware, I just thought it was too cute. It's vintage, made in USA, 27 count. It's a mixed lot of children's aluminum flatware, some spoons, forks, and knives, even a butter knife. And I listed it at $24.95, but it is on sale now for $22.45 plus shipping. And here's something that I think will bring back some childhood memories for many of the ladies watching this video. I want you to take a little smile break. Just take a break from your work and enjoy what I'm about to show you. These 1950s paper dolls. And I'm going to pan through this twice because I changed the closeout completely. Enjoy the music and enjoy the 1950s paper dolls. These adorable paper doll girls and outfits are listed on eBay on auction for $29.95 plus shipping. I'm not sure if they will sell before this video comes out or not, but I hope you enjoyed seeing them in their little clothes as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. If you like these kind of videos, I appreciate a thumbs up. I invite you to like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue. I'll see you soon. Simple sales for good profit.